Hello guys, this is Al from Open Source Channel and welcome again to a new episode on how to. First of all, I would like to thank every single subscribers that are watching my videos. At the moment I go 1062. Very happy with it. Extremely happy with it. As I mentioned before on other videos, a lot of changes is happening. One of them is that I am at the moment I got 1 month trial for a reseller package, reseller for hosting. I branded myself on this one, AG Cloud, although it's going to be changed when we're going actually live, maybe June, July, I'm not sure yet. Maybe even later than that, again, I don't know. This one is a cPanel, and yes, fantastic. Comes with the soft Atlas. Fantastic piece of software with hundreds of application for you to try, including premium like WHMCS. Of course, on this one it comes not free. You need a license with the WHMCS website. But most of them, like WordPress, PrestaShop, Ubuntu Cart, Joomla, Drupal, they're all free of charge, of course. As I said, today we're going to show you how to install a new application today, and today I'm going to show you how to install PrestaShop. Now, the first thing you're going to do is going to the download side of it, and I'm going to download PrestaShop. Now, I'm going to save it on the desktop, I think. Show all downloads. That's been done. Remove the open containing folders. There we go. That's PrestaShop there. Right click on this one for now, and I'm going to extract in this folder here. While it's doing this, as I said, today is a little bit different. So we're going to use cPanel. So I'm going to show you how to install it on nearly every single server using cPanel. Of course, the main panels for web hosting are the Plesk and the cPanel. Soon I'll maybe have the Plesk as well, so I'll be reselling both. I won't do it for a profit, but I'm going to do it to make sure that people can have even a small server, a small hosting. For example, this package I set up with 250 meg space and 3 gig of bandwidth. I might give 500 meg, and they're going to be very, very, very cheap. As I said, I'm not going to do it for profit. I'm going to do it just for enough to pay the expenses, so I can bring you more and more in tutorials. But anyway, this is enough for this. Today I'm going to show you, as I said, the PrestaShop. I got that done, I think. PrestaShop 1.6. Now, there is a new version out, I think. I'm not sure if it's this one or not. Let me have a look here. PrestaShop. I know the latest version is 1.6, but they might have something different as well. I think I've seen different version on the beta. See if I can find it quickly. Now, the beauty of this, going back again before I forget, e-commerce, I could press PrestaShop, press on install. This is how it is. Remove this to make sure that I install it in the root directory, set the password, set the email for the logins, the name of the store, and that's it. Just click install and everything will be done for you. But today I'm going to show you in a totally different way. Just in case you haven't got the cPanel, I'm going to show you how to install it by creating, of course, your own database as well. In fact, I'm going to create a database now. Open in a new tab. Now I'm going to do this. That's PrestaShop there. Now I already got the FTP program. I'm using FileZilla as usual. Let's do this here. And I'm going to upload. So while it's uploading, oops, sorry guys, that's Camstudio, that's what I'm recording that. Going back to the browser. So while we're doing that, I'm going to create a database and I'm going to call it the PrestaShop, or you can call anything you really want, really. Usually you should do something that is not, you know, doesn't make sense really. You need to be kind of a word that doesn't say PrestaShop. Let's say just shop 123 for example. I'll create that. I go back. Now as you can see, I got this one here. I'm going to create a new user, Cinemas as PrestaShop for example. Presta, let's say just Presta, and the password I'm going to put is now logically you want a better password. This is just about, or you can actually generate a password if you want to. For example, you can actually copy that, but I'm going to do something. Let's see. That's okay, for example, but I'm going to use something simpler for me to remember. You make sure it's a strong password. I create so that's been created. Once I create that, I'm going to choose that and I add it with all privileges. Let's click on this, make changes, and I go back. And as you can see here, it's been done. Now, make note logically of your password. That's quite important. I'm going to the main domain and I'm going to refresh. I believe it's already been done. No, it's another 1,000 files. I'm going to pause a little bit until that's finished and I'll be back in a second. Right, the upload has succeeded and we're going to do this /install. Make sure I got caps lock off. There we go. Now I'm going to choose English or any language you really want. Is up to you. Going to press next. I'm going to agree to the above licenses. Press next. I'm going to give a name, PrestaShop. Of course, you're going to use your own name, whatever you want to do with it. Main activity is going to be animals, pets, babies, whatever you want to do with it. I'm going to just say computers. Choose your country. In my case, it's going to be United Kingdom. The account, first name, Al Goose. Email address is going to be let's say add domain for me at cinemas TK, and I'm going to use the password again. In this case, gonna be this one, I think. I don't want to sign up for the newsletters. Gonna press next. Update that, yes. Now it's gonna be localhost. The database name, let me do this first. Now the database name is gonna be Cinemast Shop 123. And I think the user is going to be more or less the same. Underscore, I think. Let me see. It's underscore Presta. I'm going to make sure it's correct. Shop Cinemas, yeah. Now I'm going to change the table prefix. PS as PrestaShop. I'm going to use something different. You can use anything you really want. I'm going to press next. So the database is being connected. I'm going to press next. And I'm going to wait until the installation is finished. It's nearly done. Now it's creating the database and it's creating the file settings. After I install the PrestaShop, I'm going to show you how you can actually use the Soft Atlas installation script and how easy it is just by clicking one button, the install buttons. So let's see this one, how it goes. So that's your login and that's the password. I'm not going to print. So let's see, where are we now? So that's been done. So secure, delete the install folders. So we're going back here, click on that, press delete. So while I was doing this, we go back to the browser. I don't want to do this there. So to manage the shop, so that still hasn't done it yet. I'm going to refresh this one here. And we got the full shop here, as you can see. It's been installed. In a second, when the delete has been done, so I'm going to show you the let's do a refresh, see what happens. Here we go. I'm going to click OK, and this is the actual admin panel. At the moment is the demo mode on. If you switch that off like this, everything's be retracted, and if you refresh here, everything should go, just the images, I think. Yes. Now what you need to do then is just go to the catalogs, products, and just delete everything inside. It's very simple to delete. Just do this bulk action and delete selected. Make sure you actually select all of them. Alright, that's been done. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to redo it, but let's see how easy it is to do it via Soft Atlas. The first thing I'm going to do is delete the database. I'm going back. I'm going to delete the user. Then I'm going to delete everything in this folder. That's been deleted, so I'll go back, make sure that nothing's there, nothing's here. I'm going to click on this one here. Now, as I said, we are in Soft Atlas. We wait until this has finished. I'm going to the PrestaShop, press refresh, you go just this, and as you can see, it's just the index with all the folders. Slowly all this will go. Let me close that one here. Let's refresh this one here again. It looks like it's still doing it. While it's doing this, I'm going to pause again, and I'll resume as soon as finished. Alright, so that's finished. We're going to refresh, make sure there's nothing there. We go back to Soft Atlas. Just want to show you how you can install the latest PrestaShop without any fuss. I'm going to remove the directory, make sure nothing's here, so it's going to be installed in the root. I'm going to type the name of the database I want. I'm leaving Press 870. The name of the store, I'm going to call it PrestaShop again. The admin folder 123. I can actually change that if I want, and I'm going to say 222, or if you want again 123, doesn't matter. This is the actual login. I'm not going to leave it as it is. I can generate a password, or I can create a new one if I want to. In this case, I'm going to create a new one. Password. Say 555. I'm going to copy this logically because I need that to log in. I'm leaving the rest as it is, and if you want the installation to be emailed to you, just put in your email address and just press install. As simple as that. No fuss with database, no fuss with passwords. Simple and easy. You just wait until the bar gets to 100%, and you can do exactly the same with all the applications in this main app called Soft Atlas. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like. Refresh. As you remember, I have to go back again, delete the install folder. Nope, this is all done for you. Simple as that. I'm going to open a new tab. So this is going to be the the admin. I'm going to press Control V to make sure I paste the right password and sign in. I'm going to update that just in case, and I'm going to press X for now. Here we go. We got the latest version on PrestaShop as before. Demo mode is on as usual. Just press on, off if you want it off, back on if you want it on. That will give you an idea how things are installed. Start with the preferences. Enable SSL if you need to. In this case, it's not enabled as the domain has not certificate installed to it. Logically, if you run a shop online in e-commerce, you want to buy an SSL. You got the products here. I do apologize for this. The microphone is getting a little bit old. I need to change it. But to start with your products, you go to catalog, products, and here you delete those ones as I showed you before, and you start to add a new one by clicking this plus button, and there we go. You got everything you need here under one roof. It's a fantastic piece of open source software. Go back to here, and that's it, really. That's all about. This is the front, this is the admin, this is Soft Atlas. Fantastic. Hundreds of of applications, open source. We got how many we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 34, 35 different applications just for e-commerce. Fantastic. This is the cPanel using the paper lantern. We got 2 available just because that's the way I set up in the WHM. What can I say? I hope this goes well and it will be available to everybody to use. I do not know the actual prices yet, although I believe one of my helper, Timothy, I'm sure he said to me he put down a poll on my website. If you go to open source and click on one of those anyway, contact store, or I don't think about store, but tutorials, for example, you can actually find the poll, I think, on the actual widget on the right side here. Now the internet is going a little bit slow today. Let's log out here for now. Here we go. This is the poll. We put it down. How much would you like to pay per month in US dollar for hosting with the Soft Atlas and all the application you've seen, from $3.95 to up to $9.95 per month. I know this is a little bit high, but you know, we just put some prices here. To be honest, you choose whatever you want. As I can see, few people have already voted. As I already posted, this is on Twitter. So yeah, just just tell us what you want. Just press on whatever. Here, I think Timothy also put on his vote. Otherwise, it would come up as clear to vote. But I'm sure he wouldn't do it $9.95. I'm sure he put $3.95. But I'll have a look at this later on. But anyway, thanks again. Don't forget to like and share our videos, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.